Previously seen on Build Ride Repeat.
So I'm not going to be able to make it to Daytona on the bike for safety's sake. I didn't get a chance to shake down or break in the engine or whatever. Yeah, I did get a chance to do the heat cycling, but not enough time to break it in because you need 500 miles to break it in, and then another oil change. But the main thing is it's together, and I would rather be safe than sorry than to get that far down 95 and for something that I left untorqued to come apart and put it into the trip.
But a lot of work's gotten done. A lot of issues have been overcome. You know, any custom motorcycle, every little step of the way fights you. And this has fought us every little step of the way. And there's still more things to fight. But we have done a lot. And it sounds good. I know it's going to run good. You want me to fire it for you?
Yes, sir.
Let's listen to it.
It definitely doesn't sound stock anymore.
Yeah.
It runs good. The main thing as far as for safety and to get back home to my family. And the responsible thing to do is to not ride it. But I am gonna be at Run to the Hills. I might have to knock me off of 103 or something, whatever's down there, whatever. By that time, no, let me not say that because my spiritual advisor will advise me not to do it. So,
basically, if you don't get this done by Run to the Hills 3, you're gonna have to ride on the back of my Pan America, and neither of us want that. So you're either gonna be riding beside me on the Pan America, you on the Road King, or you're riding on the back. And you know, if you gotta ride on the back, that's fine, but we don't want that. You're gonna be riding this.
The goal is to not be Adam to Run to the Hills. So yeah. So I'm at a pretty big point right here. I am about to do my maiden voyage / shakedown run on this Valley of the Kings Super Performance Muscle 107. So here we go. I don't know if I'm ready for this. Here we go. So really I'm just trying to ease out of here because I don't know if these brakes work. And I can already tell this Muscle 107 is way faster, way more power than the stock 88 that came out of here. And I'm also thinking, what did I get myself into? So I'm just going to ease out of this parking lot and I'm just trying to go around the block. I'm really only just trying to go around the block a few times just to make sure things stay together. Watching, making sure everything's still there. Alright. About to bust this right here at the corner. Making sure I stay aware of my surroundings. Here I go, about to make another right. And of course, checking my surroundings, making sure nothing's falling off the bike. Shifting, okay. Alright, well, no, that wasn't anything. Alright. Pretty much at this moment, I'm really proud of myself. I'm grateful for the sacrifices my wife tolerated me. My awesome wife tolerated me in this motorcycle stuff. And I really can't believe I actually have this muscle 107. It's everything I imagined it would be, everything I hoped it would be. And I really can't wait to get this thing officially broken in so I can have some fun with it. At this point, I kind of really want to just whack the throttle and just see how fast it'll go. But I'm really not sure these brakes are operating correctly, so I'm just gonna take it easy. Again, making sure nothing's falling off. And here I go, back at zippers. Pretty awesome. So it's a pretty big day. I got Big Larry and Little Larry. Here the zippers. See, Larry? This is a speed shop. This is where when you get big, all your money will go into a place like this, a speed shop. See the motorcycles? I got little Larry and Big Larry. Hello, my dad, Steve.
Was it your bike in the video?
Yeah.
Okay.
How's it run? Running like a champ. Good deal. And I rode it. I ride it like I stole it.
This guy. Oh yeah.
Only one thing wrong.
What's that?
You know, back it out and let me get on it.
Not in the rain.
Yeah. You ain't gonna ride it in the rain? Yeah.
Right now.
Do something different in the back. You repaint the hard bags?
Oh no. New fender. Well, not the new fender. I put the.
This is new.
Yeah, that's new. I moved the license plate.
I think the muffler's not sticking out.
Yeah, I moved the. I put the rear fascia.
You can get in. You can hold it.
See, look good then.
Yeah, looks really good.
Appreciate that, Bob.
It does. Stand on yourself, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I mean, a little help here and there, but I mean, you actually did it all yourself.
Thank you.
Makes it all feel better, doesn't it?
Oh yeah. Hey, Bob.
Yeah.
Is it possible that I started so you can hear it?
All right, come on.
It's gonna scare him.
Okay.
It's in gear?
like that. Like that?
Mwah.